Hello students. Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss one program to check whether two given strings are anagram of each other or not. Okay. So let's discuss this program. See, here I have written the question. We write a program in Java to check if two strings is an anagram of each other or not. The two strings are said to be anagram if they are of the same length. If their length is same and contains the same character but in different orders. For example, army and Mary. You can see both the words have same length and they are made by the same characters, same letters or characters, whatever you want to say. So I think question is clear. Army. This word is made by the ARMY and by the same characters. Mary is also. This word is also made. Okay. So let's discuss. So what will be the logic? First of all, let me discuss the logic. If logic is what we will check each and every character. We'll check each and every character of this word, each and every character of first word in second word. Again, I'm repeating. We will check each and every character of the first word is present in second word or not. Okay. If the any one of the characters of the first word, if any one of the characters of the first word is not in the second word, if any one of the characters of first word is not in the second word, it means they are not anagram of each other. If any one of the characters is not matching, if any one of the characters of first word is not in the second word, it means what? They are not anagram. If they are not anagram of each other, of each other. Okay. So this is the logic. So we will check character by character. We will check the first each and every character of this word is present in this word or not. And if any one of the characters not present, if any one of the characters of the first word is not present in the second word, then it's confirmed that they are not anagram of each other. Okay, so see this example. See, first of all, I have taken the first word S1. Consider the S1. I have taken that army as per the example. Army, I'm converting this word into uppercase. So finally, army will be army in uppercase. Whatever you have taken input, that we are converting into uppercase. Then we are displaying the message enter second string. Then I'm taking, consider another input is Mary, and that also I'm converting into uppercase. So S2 will be what? Mary in uppercase. So after taking input, we have taken two strings input and we have converted those strings into uppercase. Now listen, here f equal to 0. Why this f equal to 0 is here? You will come to know afterwards. Now first of all, we will check whether their length are equal or not. S1 dot length is what? 4. S2 dot length is what? 4. The length of these two strings are equal. So we'll check whether both are created by the same letters or same characters or not. Okay. So I'm starting from 0 and going up to S1 dot length. I equal to 0 and that S1 dot length is what? 4. The length of string S1 is 4. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. Now we are getting the first character, char at I. I is 0. The first character means char at 0. We have C in variable C. The value of C will be what? Capital A. That is the value at index number 0. Okay. So what we have done, we have extracted the first character of the first string. Now we'll check whether this character is present in S2 or not. Okay. So S2 dot index of C. What this function returns, index of function, let me remind you again. I have explained already in that video of string functions. Index of function returns -1 if the character given as argument, is not in the string. Otherwise, it returns the first index of this given character. Index of function returns the first index of this given character. Okay, otherwise it returns -1. Means if the string, sorry, if the character given as argument is not in the string, this function returns -1. So by this way we are checking for the presence and non-presence of this character in string s2. If this character is not present in s2, then this function will return -1 and this condition will be true. And if this condition is true, means confirm they are not anagram of each other. Okay, so here I'm taking the example of Army and Mary. So let's see. Char at 0 we have capital A. S2 dot char at C. The value of C is what? Capital A. So char at A. What is the char at A in S2? It is 0, 1, 2, 3. It is 1. The index of A is what? 1. So 1 equal to -1. Condition false. Condition false. So nothing will happen. You can see if from here to here. Then from here I plus plus I will be 1. Condition true. Now char at 1. What is char at 1? In S1 R. It's capital R. So the value of C will be capital R. We got the second character of the first word. Now we'll check whether this character is present in the S2 or not. S2 dot index of C. Index of R. Capital R. The value of C is what? The value of C is R. So index of R. Capital R is what in this string? 2. 2 equal to -1. Condition false. So nothing will happen. Then I plus plus I will be 2. Condition true. Control will inside the loop. Now char at 2. What we have char at 2? Char at 2. What we have in this string? M. Capital M. Capital M. The value of C will be sorry. 2. The value of C will be capital M. It is 2 now. So S2 dot index of C. Index of C, the value of C is capital M. So index of capital M in S2 is what? 0. So the 0 equal to -1. Condition false. So again I plus plus I will be 3. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. Now char at 3. What we have? Y. Capital Y. The value of C will be what? Capital Y. Now index of C. The value of C is what? Y, capital Y. The index of Y in S2 is what? 3. So the 3 equal to -1, sorry. 3 equal to -1 condition false. Condition false, so nothing will happen. Then I plus plus I will be 4. This condition will be false now. So control will go outside the loop and it will reach here. Okay. Now you can see what is the value of F. The value of F was 0 and it will remain 0 because this condition was not true for any value of I. Condition true in U. This condition was not true for any value of I. So the value of F will remain 0. So this condition is true. So you'll have the message S1, the value of S1 and S2 are anagram of each other. Okay. Now I'm going to take two strings of different length. The words, the letters are same, but they are of different length. Another example I'm going to take. Consider S1 equal to ball, BALL. Taking input, converting into uppercase. S2 equal to, consider it is lab. Okay, both are made by the same letters, but the number of characters, that is length, are not same. So S1 we have taken, S2 we have taken, converted into uppercase, F equal to 0. Now what about this condition? S1 dot length is what? 4. S2 dot length is what? 3. Condition false. So if condition is false, you can see this if is from here to here. That if is from here to here. So if this condition is false, control will go for this else and you'll have the message S1, S2 are not anagram of each other. If their strength, first of all, that's why we are checking that their length first. If their lengths are not, if their length are not equal, then also they are not anagram of each other. So this condition is for that only. Now I'm going to check two strings of same length but having different characters. See, consider I'm taking ball. Another example I'm taking bats. Any example I'm taking bats, whatever. Okay. Now see, the length of S1 is what? The value of F is 0. The s1 dot length is 4, s2 dot length is also 4, condition true, means their lengths are equal. Now we start from I equal to 0. S1 dot length is 4, condition true, control will go inside the loop. We got the first character, caret 0. The value of C will be capital B, caret 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. C will be what? B. Now index of S2 dot index of B. Value of C is what? Capital B. The index of B is what? 0. 0 equal to minus 1. This may be 0. 0 equal to minus 1, condition false. So nothing will happen. Then from here, closing of loop, I plus plus, I will be what? 1. Condition true. Control loop में. Caret 1. Caret 1 what we have? In S1, capital A. The value of C will be capital A. Now we'll check the presence of capital A into S2. S2 dot index of C. The value of C is capital A. The index of capital A into S2 is what? 1. 1 equal to minus 1, condition false. Condition false, so it will not go inside the if. So from here, I plus plus, now I will be 2, condition true. So char at 2. Now what we have char at 2, so the value of char at 2 is what? Capital L. The value of C will be capital L now. Now S2 dot index of capital L. The value of C is capital L. So capital L is not present into S2. The letter capital L is not present into S2. So this function will return minus 1. Minus 1 equal to minus 1, condition true. Means this character is not, the character L is not in the S2. So it will return minus 1. This condition is true. So if condition is true, as I told, if any one of the characters of S1 is not present in S2, it means they are not anagram. So for that, I have taken a variable f equal to 0, that I am making 1. So this condition is true, f will be 1, and break will send the control outside the loop. It will come here. Now you can see this condition is false. F is what? 1 now. So this condition is false. We will have the message S1 and S2 are not anagram of each other. I hope it is clear to all. If any doubt, you can ask through comment section. I have tried my best to explain. The logic is there, and smarter logic I have used. As much smaller logic can be implemented, I have implemented. So still, if you have any doubt, please confirm through comment section. And if you have any question to ask, please send me on comment section. I will try to make the video for that also. Okay, or anything, any topic which you want for which I should make the video, please let me know through comment section. I will try to make it. Okay, so for this video, this much only. Thank you. All the best.